Today's recipe is sopa with eggs and meat. You can omit the meat and the eggs if you want to and just have the sopa, but it's up to you. So I don't usually measure my ingredients, so I've tried to guess about how much I use. So the written measurements are what I ended up using at the end. So here we just put some, I use the extra virgin olive oil. You can use vegetable oil as well, it's up to you. And the pasta, just any kind of dry pasta. It could be elbow noodles, it could be the fideo noodles, whatever it is. But once it does start to brown, you need to constantly stir it. That way all the surface area does start to get darkened. Once it starts to get kind of browned and you don't want to get it too dark, then I have water, a pitcher of water on the side, so I could just pour it in there instead of transferring it to the sink to put water in it. I've burnt myself a couple times doing that, so learned my lesson there. Third degree burns will do that to you. So it says 1.5 tablespoon. The packets and the cubes are each a tablespoon. So if you do, you will have to section the second one off for this amount of sopa. That's why I ended up getting the jar of the bouillon powder instead, so I can put in what is needed. Now remember, this is just garlic powder, not garlic salt. It's a different measurement for that. That's my favorite garlic salt. That's all I use. And I get that one. I get that one at the local store in that large, huge size because I go through it often. The tomato sauce that I use actually already has oregano and I think basil in it. I just really like it. I think I might show it here in a second. Aha, I do. Okay, so at this point, before it starts to get hot, you want to taste the caldo or the broth to see if it needs anything additional. So you want to flavor the broth like you want the sopa to taste. So just kind of add things here and there, and it's to taste. So you might want more garlic or more onion powder. It's up to you. Once you've got the broth to your liking, just put the soup on medium heat for about 10-15 minutes. I like to garnish mine with cut up onions, so I'm just preparing that there on the side. Now you can prepare whatever meat you want to put on it, whether it be beef or pork or even chicken. Once the noodles have expanded, then I go ahead and serve it in the bowl. It's going to be very hot still, so very unlikely that it will cool down by the time I have the eggs ready. So I'm just using the same pan that I made the meat. And I like my eggs over medium, so the white cooked all the way through, but the yolk still has some runniness on the inside. You can do scrambled eggs, you can do it however you like. So I did put some salsa in with the sopa as well. So if you try this sopa with eggs, let me know how you liked it or if you didn't like it. Let me know. All right, kiddos. Love you.